Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Avalanche. The ticker is AVAX, Avax. Okay, so this from my call last week, I will say last week, it was about 2 weeks ago, I think it was. I put a tweet on Twitter and a trade in Discord as well, and I'm still getting messages of gratitude now. And again, nothing I say is financial advice, just so you know that, okay? So, but yeah, this was a fantastic trade because from that buy and go to the beat signal right there, we fell back into its support, and AVAX is currently up 207%. Topped at about 320%. It's looking for continuation. You're coming back to a key level support, looking for continuation. Now, I want to show you exactly where this has happened before, because if you break this high just here at $60.96, you're looking at a lovely long up, right? From here up to that 1618 at $194, you're looking at a 222% long up just there for Avalanche. Okay, you can see if you look at the RSI, you've come up to meta level, and I did say to you in a previous update, look, that is where you potentially want to sort of, think about your position, potentially take a bit of profit off the table, and you probably run into a level resistance and roll back to a key level support. And that's exactly what's happened, pretty much like you did before in an impulsive wave to the upside, and you rolled. Okay, so you're doing something that you have done before. Okay, I do believe you're holding the key level support for continuation. Now, if you do start to see that support lost, that in itself could be quite negative. I'll show you. Your key level support right now for Avalanche is this, okay, the 786 at $40.52. You're holding it like support, and I want to show you what you're doing. You're creating a descending triangle which you've come up into. Okay, you've got your support at the bottom, your resistance, and you're coming into some kind of apex. You're looking for support primarily. You could be looking at the 20 coming up, getting a little kiss off that before you break up out of here, continuation to the upside. Do you see that? So you've slowed down. You needed to slow down because your RSI was completely overbought. You was up there at 97. It had gone parabolic, and everything that goes parabolic needs to slow down. Now, what I think you're doing right here, providing you can hold the support right here, if you hold this support, you are looking at continuation, because what I think you're doing right here is this. Okay, look, you came up, got really overextended. Okay, you created a descending triangle, level of support, level of resistance, come close to the apex, boom, popped out, got your little touch off the 20 EMA, allowed it to creep up to you, you know what I mean, for that little level of support, and then you broke out. Because look at this leg here, let's take a look, let's measure this as a thought experiment. Once you broke out a descending triangle, you absolutely took off into space. And if you want proof of that Avax does this, it does this. Look, took off into space, consolidated, took off into space, correction, came down to a key level support, took off into space, consolidated, potentially take off into space once you break this level of resistance of this descending triangle. So it's looking for continuation, providing you can hold support, because if you do break this level of resistance, there's your next impulsive wave up to the 1618. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good, providing you can hold support. Now, if it starts to do something like this, okay, if it starts to do something like this, where effectively this got overextended and was creating some kind of descending triangle, look, and coming back on itself, level of support, resistance, come to the apex. When it lost support, you carried out a whopping correction, and I'll show you the technical target that obviously you can see it's been met anyway. Once you lost the support, look, boom, you came down and met the technical target, didn't you? So equally, they do have technical targets to the upside and the downside, obviously, of a descending triangle. Now, if you do break, you are getting continuation. You don't really need me to show you the upside potential. You're going to come up and retest the high and get the continuation, break that high. You're creating that confirmation of an impulsive wave to the upside up to $194. But if you do lose support, you are looking at a correction, obviously, and you're going to roll back down to the 050 at $23.80. So it's all about holding the support, okay? Once you see that breakdown here towards this apex, okay, if you lose this level of support, you're looking for a short. You're looking for let's have a look what that is. It's around about 42% short, so that's a whopper. But if you can get the break and support, and hold this support, and you break this resistance right here, you're looking at beautiful upside and continuation, coming back up to retest this high at least. You're looking at 43%, and then with that continuation to the 1618, you're looking at 364%, and it's basically a rinse repeat of this fractal here. So if we drop this fractal here, let's have a look, okay, because this is what it does. It goes up so quickly, consolidates and goes up so quickly. You can see that Avax is doing that, okay. So from there to there, let's take a look at this particular break. Look at that, boom. That's perfect. Look at that, boom, boom, rinse, repeat. Step 1, consolidate. Step 2, okay, and potentially there, consolidate and have another step up. Who knows? But that's Avax. I hope you enjoyed that update. It's looking good, providing you hold support for continuation. Lose support, it could get quite nasty, like it did here. Okay, you get too overextended, you lose support, you have a whopping correction, and you can see you come back down. But if you hold this support of 45.2 and the EMAs as well, you're looking really, really good here for continuation, and you will be looking at 1618, and you will be looking at $194 per Avax token moving forward. But again, if you lose that support, you're looking at a roll here, you're coming back down to 0.50, you're not going to quite break that high, and you're looking like you're potentially rolling here in the market. Okay, and at that point I'll make another video and show you where support targets are. So yeah, that's Avax. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and once again, thank you for your support. Really do appreciate it. Take care. Bye bye.